Welcome back, everyone. I missed you so much. I came back from my holiday and guess what? I'm staying here with my brother for the night at my fishing place. This is the tent that me and my brother will be sleeping tonight. It's an awesome evening. I've catched a lot of carps. Come and have a look. Fish! Get it! Get it! Come and have a look at my carps, and it's only 8:30 p.m. Very, oh my god! Look at all of them. One of the orange ones, those are the biggest ones that we've catched. I have 5 fishes in total. 2 grey carps and 3 orange carps. Oh, I forgot. There's a net over there with bread, and I'm going to show you now. Over there with bread, but I have to be quiet because I don't want to scare the fish away. Tomorrow, me and my brother will take it out together. There it is. Now it's the perfect time to fish. Me and my brave brother Emanuel is fishing tonight. Hi. It's legitimately so hot tonight. Say hi. Look at me. Oh look, our shadows. It's night and we're here and it's so awesome. It's a very hot night. I'm already sweating. See you tomorrow, guys, and we can't believe to put up that net. Good morning, I'm just waking up and guess what? I have a new friend and it's a cat. She's adorable. I don't know if it's a she or a he. Now I'm gonna fish. Did you like my friend last night? Awesome, huh? Do you like my small carps? There is 1, 2, 3, 4. Oh, and I forgot there's baby fish swimming. But they're very small to see. Well, they swim in a group. Oh, there's one. Oh, there. And there, and there. Oh, come and have a check the net. We got a fish, guys. Right in, can you see it moving? Right there. Beautiful, huh? At night time. Oh, 2 actually. It's 2. The smallest eel I've seen in my life. Right there. Look. It's so awesome. Come back to fishing with my little mate there. lost those fish, but you won't believe how many fishes we caught last night. But I'm not going to show you yet. Wait until the end of my movie. M&M. My breakfast. This is not really my breakfast. My breakfast is a sandwich. This is such a good experience for me to fish on night time. Thanks to my dad. The fish for my little brother to go in that pond with the big fishes. He's going, go put it in here before it dies. Now let's catch this thing up. Bobby, holy, and it's a lot of fishes. It's woohoo! It's home time and have a look what I catch today. Muggies, huh? That's all for today. I hope you like it and I will see you on my next video. Please subscribe. Ew.